Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. I'll be to Dr. Azhani. We are from Group 19 consisting of Iman, Zulfahmi, Adriana, Fatin and Nishaza. We will be presenting on the development project of Port Klang Refrigerated Storage. The LPG, also known as liquefied petroleum gas, is a storage facility as well as the distribution terminal with the capacity of 134,400 cubic meters, which consists of 2 refrigerated tanks and 4 pressurized bullets. The facilities provided are such as dedicated refrigerated propane and butane jetty pipeline, ordering, injection system, mixer switch ratio control, and bottling. The figure shows the location of the proposed development that covers an area of 18 acres at a currently vacant land with secondary vegetation where the site is accessible through persiaran Sungai Pinang. The component of development comprise such as refrigerated storage tanks and piping system. The development is expected to secure the supply as well as maintaining the cost stability to stimulate the economic growth.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Adrana Arfan binti Zamri, matric number AA18222. So for my part, it's the impact of the project to environment during and after construction. So divided into two for the physical environment and the existing biological system. So for the physical environment, topography, geology, soil hydrology and stream flow, meteorology, land use, water quality, air quality, noise level and soil quality. And then for the existing biological system, socio-economic, flora and fauna, infrastructure and utilities. And then certainly for the impacts, identification and evaluation divided into three phases: pre-construction, construction phase, and operational phase. So firstly, for the pre-construction phase, we'll be discussing about the site preliminaries. And then for the construction phase, soil erosion, drainage and flooding, water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, socio-economic impact, biomass, solid waste, scheduled waste generation, and the project abandonment. And then lastly, for the operational phase, for the risk of accident, drainage and flooding, water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, traffic generation, socio-economic impact, solid waste and scheduled waste generation, and project abandonment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Fatina Anissa binti Makbaki, AA18225. Okay, I will proceed the presentation about solution to protect the environment during and after construction. Okay, as you can see on this slide, there are 8 solutions that we can follow to minimize the impact of construction to the environment. And first of all is minimize waste. Construction produces a large amount of waste materials, so we have to optimize the use of supplies and materials. The storage and handling of scheduled waste should be carried out according to the Environmental Quality Regulation 2005. And the next one is use tools, products, and materials that promotes efficient energy use. And choose green solutions. From this, we can consider products that reduce the environmental impact, such as using an inflatable bladder dam for all dewatering applications. And the next one is protection of ecological resources. It's important to protect the water, plant life, and animal species at site. These include open burning is not allowed. And the next one is reduce noise. Make sure all construction equipment properly maintained and all the workers have to use hearing protection devices. Hoarding shall be set up. We also have to properly dispose solid waste to the approved dump site and utilize reusable technology. For example, inflatable water dams help combat erosion, water runoff, and prevents sedimentation. And the last one is expedite the project. Expediting construction process helps reduce noise pollution as well as cutting back on traffic durations and improve safety zones. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurina Imam binti Zailani, AA18216, and I'm from Group 19. Okay, I will continue about the method of the construction or new technologies that we can apply in this project. There are 3 main technologies that we discuss, which is the first one is smart buildings, the second one is the sustainability, which is we use the renewable energy such as solar and wind. Okay, the thirdly is digitalizing the project, which is we use the software. Okay, next I will continue about the importance of EIA in project. EIA is the assessment of a large scale construction project, detrimental or in some situation positive effect to the environment. It is very useful in resolving the environmental concern or issue affecting people well-being. Besides that, EIA also able to save the cost and shorten the project implementation time, as well as adherence with the legal standard. There will also be an increase in communal involvement and understanding of the resources including in the EIA evaluation.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fahmi Ahmad Zawawi. My matric ID is AA1217. So, I will continue present about Act related to the issue. Okay, so the Act in this case is Environmental Quality Act EQA 1974. This Act made provision for the prevention, abatement, control of pollution and enhancement of the environment. It is divided into the following part, which is first preliminary, administration, license, prohibition and control of pollution, EPA and EPA board, and lastly miscellaneous. Okay. So this is the issue occur on the project side. First, water pollution. For the water pollution, it will be under section 34B of the Environmental Quality Act 1974. While for the noise pollution, it will be under section 23 restriction on noise pollution. Okay, so for the solid waste, it will under environmental quality bracket control of pollution from solid waste transfer station and landfill regulation 2009. And lastly, air pollution, it will be under environmental quality clean air regulation 1978. So for the conclusion, according to the result of the environmental impact assessment, the project will have both positive and negative consequence throughout its implementation. There are also minor environmental implications during the construction period, such as water quality, air quality, and noise emission. So that's all from us. Thank you.